In this video, we are going to see and resolve this issue whenever you are trying to power on the virtual machine. It suddenly shows you this error that this host supports Intel VTX, but Intel VTX is disabled, and it shows you all of this, and basically it failed to start the virtual machine. So click OK, and let me share with you a quick solution for that. So once you have closed the error, you also close the virtual machine. And basically in the start menu, you write recovery options, hit enter, and under the advanced startup, you click on restart now. And you should be able to see this screen. After that, it will process it a little bit. And you will get this screen. Just go to the troubleshoot, click on advanced options. Click on UEFI firmware settings, and it will show you this restart option. Click on that. And basically what you need to do is just find the virtualization support option or virtualization technology option and make that enabled from the boot manager. Make sure to apply the changes and save it properly. Click exit and just restart your computer. So I have attached different screenshots of where this screen virtualization options are for different laptops. This is for HP, this is for Lenovo, and this is for Dell. So every brand basically has different options. And after that, you just power on the virtual machine again, and it should work properly without giving you an error. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.